Hi, I'm 52 years old and I'm a beginner learning to skateboard. I got a new skateboard for my birthday recently. It's the Birdhouse Skateboards Tony Hawk Full Skull Complete Skateboard. It has good quality components. According to their website, it has an 8-inch, 7-ply stained Canadian maple deck. The trucks are Birdhouse branded, powdered coated black, and they have a laser logo of the company on it. The wheels are also Birdhouse branded. They're 52 millimeters and 100A hardness wheels, and supposedly they're supposed to give you a performance ride. It's got Apec 7 bearings to be smooth, and then lastly, the grip tape. The grip tape is also Birdhouse branded and die cut. I have two other skateboards. The one I've been using the most is a Braille Samurai Complete Skateboard. It also has premium components. The deck, trucks, wheels are all good quality, and I've really enjoyed skateboarding on this deck. Kyro, the founder of Braille, recently was elevated at the Church of Scientology in San Francisco. I think he's the executive director or head there. I read online that this was causing some drama at the company, with some riders leaving and their skateboard warehouse closing. I don't know too much about Scientology, and I'm unsure about the details of the drama, but I did want to mention this. If anyone knows what's going on, please comment. The Birdhouse board was priced at $119.99, and on their website right now it's discounted to $89.99. In contrast, the Braille skateboard was priced at $154.99, and it's currently discounted to $123.99. Check them both out online and see what you like. As complete skateboards, they arrived fully assembled and ready to ride, though I did add wax to the contact points to keep them quiet, and also adjust the tightness of the trucks. I actually loosened them, just loose enough so I can turn the boards easily, but avoid wheel bite. I don't know enough about the skateboarding to go into further details about the components of the Birdhouse skateboard, but as a beginner, I believe that this skateboard is really high quality, and the Braille skateboard was also very good, and they're a lot better than the $30 Amazon skateboard I first bought with my daughter when we were learning to skateboard. That skateboard felt cheap, and the components felt like they wouldn't really last that long. This new skateboard is great. I'm a beginner. This footage is from the first time I'm riding it at the skate park. The skateboard is brand new, so everything was so smooth. The wheels and bearings were smooth and quiet. I adjusted the trucks fairly loose, and then I had to tighten them a bit because I was starting to get a little bit of wheel bite on my heel edge. I had added some wax at the contact points of the trucks to keep them nice and quiet. Grip tape was brand new, so my Van sneakers really stuck to it like glue. I'm working on carving in the park in the bowl and trying to get up higher on the wall. I'm around the middle portion of the wall at the apex of my carbs. I do believe I was riding higher on the wall today, and it felt great to me. Part of that was driven by the new board with all the new wheels and bearings, but also with the halo effect of Tony Hawk and the smoothness of the new board. It could also be a placebo effect, having a new board and trying new things. I'll have to do a comparison video sometime of this board and my two other older skateboards. I often go to the skate park early in the morning to have the park all to myself. It's great. I'm a beginner and I'm still learning to skateboard. I'm really enjoying it. It's been helping to complement my surfing training. I try to skate all around the park, pumping in the bowl, practicing top turns on the quarter pipe, dropping down on the ramps. I'd like to get better at skating with speed, learning how to kick turn, and then carving bottom turns and top turns, like I said, higher up on the wall. Do you skateboard and know a lot about skateboards? What is your setup and how did you customize your board if you did? Please share any friendly tips or comments. I'd love to hear from you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other content on my YouTube channel that you may enjoy. Thanks.